already. Back in New Milton with my parents, and we are making a surprise party for my little sister and her best friend Nevaeh because they did really well on their GCSE. So I'm just gonna write in their card, decorate the house a little bit, and then they're gonna come in a couple of hours, and we're going to surprise them. So.
Yung baba pa anak ko kasi gumagano.
Congratulations!
Surprise! Where's the... I need help.
Shani. She's not going anywhere. We planned this. This is a surprise for you and Nev.
Congratulations!
There you go. People are coming here, sweetie.
They're all late. Sorry.
What the hell? You want to give them? You have cards there.
That's so weird.
Card for you.
Oh my god.
I put off it.
You did.
Okay, this is for you.
Oh, it's huge.
That's for you.
My gift! Hey, look at the audio. For you, open it.
I know what it is.
Oh, just open it!
I saw the panda.
This is for Nevaeh, it's special.
Nathan! Hugo Adio.
Yes, it is Dio. You have to actually lift it up. For the present.
What is it?
Open.
Oh, Dior. Come here.
I'm on my expense.
Sorry.
Oh, why is showing? She loves soy sauce.
Tita Jean wrapped up, look.
Oh, excuse me. It's Tita Only.
Intention.
No, it wasn't me. It's Tita Only. Diba?
Tita Jean, you're making a card. What is that?
It's a heatless haircut. I need
Tita Jean
this.
scissors.
Wow.
Because you always
Nevaeh,
do
do something.
Help Nevaeh.
You can do it.
It's better than the Kiko man.
Oh,
soy sauce.
she likes the
She likes the soy sauce. What's
No,
next?
I know what Nevaeh likes.
Rice.
Rice. Next year, I'm gonna have my exam. When I pass my exam, I need a gift.
This is from Yobu.
from you.
You have to make your own Yobu.
If you open the card, there's a voucher.
Oh, thank you.
You're very welcome.
No, those cards, it's mommy's.
No, they're not. Sign mine.
You did it. Thank you.
Okay, open it.
You got a lot today, didn't you?
She went through a lot for today, okay?
Yeah, you did that.
Wow.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. This is on my Christmas wish list.
That's for your birthday, Christmas, and next year.
Who is this from you?
mommy.
From mommy. From mommy.
No, from
From mommy then. Give
Oh, thanks, Mom. I saw you have the black one.
You've got matching ones now.
We're matching for sixth form.
What does it do?
No, you still.
Oh, it's a good thing I got the white one then.
Yeah.
We went home
Open up your
and
hand.
then we went to
It's just chocolate.
Creepy crawlies.
I told you it's some germs. There'll be no photos of me on my bikini.
We're at the beach.
Just to tell everyone right now.
Mommy! Hey everybody, we are by Bournemouth Beach because it's the Bournemouth Air Show, which is why I'm squinting right now because there's a lot of sun in that area. So yeah, so a bunch of planes is going to do like a little show in the sky here at the Bournemouth Beach. But I'm not really a big fan of the beach and I'm not a big fan of the sun either. So me and my sister, say hi Shani. Or not. Me and my sister are inside the tent because we just want to chill here. And literally everybody else is enjoying their time outside. I'll show you now. It's my sister. Our friends sunbathing here. That's where everybody is. So yeah, we're just chilling by the beach here.
No, I'm swimming. I'll be your lifeguard.
Okay.
I don't think that's a win.